Hello, my name is Hyung Lee, the CEO at G2GBIO, a company that develops sustained-release drugs using proprietary platform technology called InnoLamp. It is my pleasure to have the chance to introduce G2GBIO. I will be presenting the company in the order of corporate identity, platform technology, pipeline, and future prospects. G2GBIO stands for Good to Love by Innovative Biotherapeutics. It well represents the company's vision of wanting to supply good medicine to the patients around the globe. Our company was established in 2017 with the headquarters in Daejeon, manufacturing plant in Osong, and the business development office in Seoul. We currently have 39 employees, and the main focus of the company is developing long-acting drugs for human and animal use, as well as dermal filler. I would like to also introduce our R&D leadership. As for myself, I have 27 years of experience in the sustained release microsphere industry. When working on postdoctorate at University of Kentucky, I have been involved in the development of sustained release prostate cancer treatment, and the drug was submitted for ANDA to US FDA. Upon returning to Korea, I led development of various sustained-release microsphere drugs, including prostate cancer and diabetes treatment, as the head of R&D and BD at Peptron. The developed prostate cancer treatment has not only been licensed and commercialized, but the technology was also successfully transferred to a Korean pharmaceutical company. Our head of R&D, Eun, has been working with sustained-release microsphere for peptide and small molecules for 23 years at various Korean pharma companies. As a part of our scientific advisory board, we have Dr. Batus and Dr. Tracy, who have previously worked for Alkermes. Alkermes, as the leader in the field with the most number of FDA-approved long-acting microsphere drugs, ranking in indication of schizophrenia, alcohol dependence, diabetes, and growth hormone. Dr. Batus was one of the leading neuroscience experts in the development of Acrin, the world's first FDA-approved Alzheimer's disease treatment, and Dr. Tracy has led the development of microsphere formulation, cGMP process, and mass production process. These two SAB members are actively helping us advance into the global market for the sustained release dementia treatment. We also have other SAB members for various fields. Our technology, in short, encapsulates an API into biodegradable polymers to sustain a release for an intended time. As for Alzheimer's drugs, for example, the approved drugs need to be administered once or twice daily. Drugs developed by our technology, however, overcomes the inconvenience of daily oral administration and can be injected once monthly. InnoLamp, innovative long-acting microparticle, is a platform technology that allows for encapsulation of APIs into biodegradable polymers to sustain the release for as short as few weeks up to several months. The current indications that we have been working on are CNS disease, including Alzheimer's, and chronic diseases such as diabetes. However, the technology is not limited to such indications. What makes our technology stand out from others is the fact that we are able to manufacture microspheres that are homogeneous in size, thus allowing a better control of the release. In addition, the patented manufacturing process is not only completely aseptic all the way to the filling process, but also is easily scalable and transferable. For InnoLamp technology, membrane emulsification method is used, of which the particle size is controlled by the pore size of the membrane, and the equipment is GMP compliant with the ease of cleaning and sterilization. The mass production is made easier with the manufacturing speed of up to 5 kg per hour. As you can see in the images of this slide, the microspheres manufactured by InnoLamp is extremely monodispersed in size. The technology allows for the manufacturing of microspheres sizing anywhere from 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. Our clinical scale GMP facility in Ozone can manufacture up to 1 kilogram per batch in microspheres. We have secured patents for our platform technology as well as project-specific patents, and we are in the process of strengthening the portfolio at the moment. G2GBIO's pipeline includes 3 Alzheimer's disease treatments, of which 2 are under phase 1 IND, as well as post-operative pain relief and metabolic disease treatment. We also have 2 animal drugs in our pipeline, including chemical castration and post-operative pain management. And lastly, dermal filler is also currently under formulation. As for GB5001, a once-monthly donepezil injection, we have taken a once-daily oral tablet and are developing it into a once-monthly injection formulation. The injection will overcome the low patient compliance, therefore overcoming the low therapeutic effect as well. A Korean company, iCure, submitted to MFDS for an approval of their twice-weekly patch formulation, and Corium's once-weekly is under FDA review. However, we believe that our injection formulation will improve the quality of life of patients with Alzheimer's. We have optimized our formulation through testing PK in rats. Upon manufacturing over 200 various formulations by adjusting the types of polymers, the content of donepezil, and the particle size of the microspheres. Through such a process, the final formulation was selected as the formulation with prolonged release to keep the plasma concentration of the donepezil constant when administered repeatedly once a month. For the selected final formulation, the dose dependence was performed in rats and dogs. As you can see in the graphs, there is a correlation between the dose and PK levels. The lower the dose, the lower the PK levels, and the higher the dose, the higher the PK levels. The other Alzheimer's disease treatment under development is once monthly ribostigmine injection. Ribostigmine is currently marketed as a twice-daily oral capsule and once-daily transdermal patch. However, the market share is extremely low compared to that of donepezil. I personally believe that the low market share, despite the difference in the pharmacodynamics from donepezil, is due to gastrointestinal adverse events for the oral formulation with high fluctuation in plasma concentration and skin irritation for the transdermal patch. GB5112 would be highly competitive in the market once development is completed, since it would overcome the known adverse events. For GB6002, there is a market need for a non-opioid post-operative pain treatment that can manage pain for 2 to 7 days after the surgery. Sustained release injections and instillations of bupivacaine exist. However, we have been working on SR formulation of ropivacaine. We have a once monthly GLP-1 injection on the formulation and are targeting once quarterly injection as well. With successful Series A and B funding, we are planning on Series C later this year and aiming for IPO in 2022. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.